listed as a Craftsman style, but
Really?
it's definitely different, and it's built in 1928.
And the balcony is so cute up there.
It really is. There's a lot of charm to this house.
There's a whole other house
there
on the
is.
back end.
Exactly. Someone bought this a little over a year and a half ago and put on a massive addition in the back. 3 levels, really expanded the size of the house. This house has a lot of twists and turns, so I want you to start on the basement level. And then I'm gonna meet you on the back deck.
I don't know if you've noticed, Anna, but I brought a little inspiration.
Could that be Roscoe? A
That's
little good luck charm?
It is. It's my tribute to Roscoe, and I hope it will bring me some luck.
And maybe it will.
All right.
Let's do
go.
it.
Oh, okay.
We have not seen a first level like this one.
You know, she calls it the basement, but this does not feel like a basement at all.
No. This would be a great TV room down here.
Home office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it'd be great if you worked at home down
Oh,
here.
it
This
would.
would be your getaway every day.
You've got this other additional space here.
This is great. This could be a game room.
Oh, yeah.
And here, bathroom.
Oh, and it's a full bath. Again, that blue cabinetry.
I'm crazy
We saw
for that
in
color
the second
blue.
house.
Yeah, I
Except it was
love
in the
that.
kitchen.
blue. And it matches the accent and the tile on the floor.
So, shall we continue upstairs?
Let's go. A
All
lot
right.
more to see.
Upward and onward. So this would be the foyer that you walk into.
Yeah, this is a nice welcoming space.
Mm-hmm.
And what a great living room.
And in this room, you can really see the old house. I bet this is the original fireplace.
All the way.
Yeah. I love that they went with the wider casings and moldings, because that would have been more true to that time period.
And it's just handsome, isn't it?
It is. So we flow right into the dining room.
This is like a 4-square.
So this, again, was part of the original house. Do you think this was the original dining room?
I think this was the original dining room for sure.
I love the windows and the natural light.
Uh-huh.
It really opens the space, but if you want to talk about opening spaces.
This is it. So definitely you
So,
see the transition between
do.
old and new.
So this is definitely the new addition.
So this would have been the back of the house
It would
before they
have.
added the new extension. And this would have been the backyard.
Nice entrance. Look at this island.
Quartz countertops,
I mean, all the cabinetry, plenty of room for storage.
white cabinets, subway tile.
And you know what I like about this subway tile? Is that it's smaller, so it's a little different
Yes.
from what we've seen.
You know what I see? You have not just one, but 2 over the sink
you
windows.
know
How
I
about
love
that?
that.
It's very nice.
And you know, just the fixtures, because these lights,
They add a
add
pop of
pop.
color to
They
this
do,
room,
they do.
which leads us to this all-season room.
oh, I could just live in this room.
I love all these windows.
And you know, these windows, although they're brand new, they really kind of have a craftsman home kind of feel to them.
They sure do. Well, let's carry on.
Okay, upstairs.
Upstairs we go.
Okay, so here we have the owner's suite.
Oh, this is nice.
Listen to this.
Okay, they did a good job with this. This view, all these trees, you can see the whole neighborhood. Everything is so green and verdant. And look at this. You have windows on this side that wrap around the room, and so you have great views out these as well. Okay, let's see what else is in this beauty.
We were so drawn to the windows, we forgot the actual bath.
So this must be the owner's suite bath. Okay,
So full
all brand
bath.
new, right? But this is actually in the older part of the home.
Oh, so you're right. So
Yeah.
obviously this has all been remodeled, because this is probably originally a bedroom. a single
It
bedroom.
probably was a small bedroom.
Okay. So this was one of the original bedrooms in the home.
Definitely the main bedroom.
Yes, I would agree. But you know what? I think my balcony is over here. Oh, this is so sweet.
This is charming.
And you know what? Every morning I could come out here and say, hello, Tacoma Park.
Wow, every morning.
Every morning.
I don't think you have to do that every morning.
All right, maybe every other day.
Sure,
Okay.
every other Tuesday.
Sure. Okay.
You know, I like the original part of this house.
So do I. And here we have another bedroom.
All right, hey, this has nice windows in it too.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
And a bathroom.
All right, full bath.
Yep. Okay, well, how are you feeling about guessing this price?
Well, I think Roscoe and I are feeling pretty good.
Feeling a little cocky, are we?
I think we are.
All right.
Hey, Anna.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
So tell me about what features you liked in the house.
John and I, we love historic, and I think that's part of what we did like about this house is that they took the old but brought in the new, and it works.
The addition added a lot to this house. So I like a good kitchen.
What'd you think about the lower level where I had you start?
Total surprise.
Right?
One of the
Yes,
nicest
yep.
lower levels we've entered, you know, so much
Right.
light, and that room is spectacular. But I also liked, as you said, views from upstairs in the bedrooms.
Great views.
Great views,
Yeah.
very serene.
Okay, but enough stalling. I think we need to settle this once and for all.
This is it.
House
Okay.
3,
House
the
number
big
3.
finale.
It is the big finale.
Yeah.
All right.
But I'm going to channel my little Roscoe here to bring me luck.
We have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 3 levels, a little bit more than 3,100 square feet. And as you saw and loved inside, it's got a lot of character, but a ton of modern updates, which make it great for the modern buyer.
So I'm going to come in at $997,000.
Oh.
Very interesting.
That is an
number.
interesting number.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm shaking it up a little bit this
You
time.
are
Thank
shaking
you.
that up. So I'm going to go with $1,010,000.
You guys are starting to think a little bit more alike. You're a little bit more aligned with this price.